Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Yeah, this is an impossible hole-in-one, by the way.
The impossible burger. It's about to happen. Yeah. Oh, it's going for that. It's going for that ugly way. Oh, come on. That was a beautiful shot.
It's summertime, 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 summertime,
One's going the other way with some authority. Uh-oh. Leases away. Doink. Doink. That's a 2. This be a killed shot. 1.
Yes.
2.
summertime, 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 summertime.
2. It's a dead hole. Now then, you. Proud of you. What? Hold on. Oh, it's too hard. Put it all the way over here. Hold on. You're away, Ma. I think there's some cheating going on here.
I think so too.
Last person picks it, well, the ball.